Structure of proteins. First, what is protein? Actually, proteins are formed by combination of several molecules of amino acids. A protein is a high molecular weight. Its molecule is more than 10,000. If you want one protein molecule, 20 amino acid combination take. If it is 20 amino acid, your protein has 19 peptide bonds. 19 peptide bonds. Because of that is amino acids are building blocks of protein. But in this case, first you think, what is proteins? What is protein? Proteins are polypeptide. Proteins are polypeptide with molecular weight is more than 10,000. That is called a protein. The proteins are classified mainly two types according to molecular shape. One is fibrous protein, one is globular proteins. What is fibrous protein? These are protein having a thread-like structure. Example, alpha keratin, you have muscles, wool, silk. Second one is globular protein. What is globular protein? These are proteins. Here molecules are coil in shape. That is called a globular protein. Best example, insulin and albumin. Insulin and albumin. And proteins are also classified according to hydrolysis method. One is primary protein, one is secondary protein, one is tertiary. What is primary protein? Sequential arrangement of amino acid in a polypeptide chain gives primary structure of protein. Any change in the sequence of amino acid creates a different protein. The primary structure of protein is the combination of two amino acid, one peptide bond, combination of 3 amino acid, 2 peptide bond, combination of 20 amino acid, then 19 peptide bond. This is primary structure of protein. What is primary structure of protein? Sequential arrangements of amino acids in a polypeptide chain gives primary structure of protein. Any change in the sequence of amino acid creates a different protein. The one more is secondary structure of protein. The secondary structure of protein arises due to regular folding of the backbone of the polypeptide chain due to hydrogen bonding between CO and NH group of the peptide bond. There are two different types of secondary structure. One is alpha helix, one is beta pleated sheet structure. You have to observe. This is called alpha helix and this is called as beta helical structure. This is the secondary structure. Secondary structures, the alpha helical and beta helical structures. And in this alpha helix structure, a polypeptide chain forms also possible hydrogen bonds by twisting into right-handed screws. And then just like DNA structure, in biological science. In beta sheet structure, all polypeptide chains are stretched to maximum extent and then laid side by side, which are held together by intermolecular hydrogen bond. Is beta structure ನಲ್ಲಿ hydrogen bond ಇರ್ತದೆ, alpha structure ನಲ್ಲಿ hydrogen bond ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. The alpha structure is just like double coil structure DNA, but beta helical ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ double bond ಇದ್ದಿಸ್ hydrogen bonding character ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. And finally, the tertiary structure. That is tertiary structure. The tertiary structure protein is due to folding of the sequence structure. Folding of the sequence structure. For example, this is the folding of the sequence structure. It is also similar to that of beta plated structure. Beta plated structures. This is the thing. And in tertiary structure, it gives rise to two major molecule shapes. One is fibrous and globular. The main forces which stabilize the secondary and tertiary structure of proteins are hydrogen bonds, disulfide linkages, van der Waals and electrostatic force of attraction. And tertiary structure ನಲ್ಲಿ hydrogen bond ಇರ್ತದೆ, disulfide linkage ಇರ್ತದೆ. Disulfide linkage ಇರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 16 amino acid ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 16 sulfur atom containing amino acid. And finally, quaternary structure of protein. What is quaternary structure of protein? It is very complex structure. The structure is not observed easily in our open eye. Some proteins contain 2 or more polypeptide chains called alpha subunits. The special arrangement of subunits with respect to each other gives quaternary structure. The quaternary structure means what? It is a combination of many polypeptide bonds, alpine beta helical structure. There are 40 amino acids. This is called a structure of protein. In this chapter, paper 2, the last thing is that is denaturation of protein. Denaturation of protein. Even protein lost its optical activity. Protein lost its activity. That is called denaturation of protein. What is denaturation of protein? In 2 months, it is very important. The loss of biological activity of native proteins due to change in temperature or change in pH is called as denaturation of protein. Very important. 2 marks. What is denaturation of protein? Give an example. Loss of biological activity of native proteins due to change in temperature or change in pH is called as denaturation of protein. The denaturation is due to disturbance in hydrogen bonds. During denaturation, secondary and tertiary structures are disturbed, but primary structure remains intact. Now denaturation of protein is primary structure ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ between 2 amino acid peptide bond ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Peptide bond cannot broken. But secondary and tertiary structure ನಲ್ಲಿ peptide bond broken ಆಗ್ತದೆ. The best example of denaturation of protein, the coagulation of egg white on boiling. ಕೋಳಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಬೇಯಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದೇನು egg white ಬರ್ತದೆ. The second is curdling of milk, which is caused due to the formation of lactic acid by bacteria present in milk. You know bacteria, lactic acid, it is optically active compound. Lactic acid, you know Fischer projection formula, that is COH, CHOH and CH3, that is 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. That is second example. Once again I will repeat, curdling of milk, which is caused due to the formation of lactic acid by the bacteria on present in the milk. In this way I have completed amino acid and proteins. The next one more chapters are there, I will tell you that later.